Alright, I'm going to go over pleats and crimps and kind of the difference between the two. Both of them will look the same if you come across it in a diagram. You'll have a mountain fold here and a valley fold there. They can be at different angles, or they can come in a lot of different ways, but the pleats and crimps do both look the same. So you'll need to know which it is. And we'll start with a pleat, which for pleating, all you'll do is fold through all of the layers along that first fold. And then fold through all of the layers on this second fold as well. For pleating, that's all you do. It looks like that. Now if that was a crimp, you would use those same lines, which I actually recommend pleating it first, just to have the pre-creases there. And then you'll open it up and make both of the folds, and then close it back up. And that would be a crimp. And so a crimp, it's a lot like just doing an inside reverse fold all the way through, and then doing another inside reverse to bring it back out. So there's a crimp, and there's a pleat. Now these are done parallel to each other, but they can also be angled like this. So if that was a pleat, you're going to use fold through all of the layers like this. So that'd be an angled pleat. And then if it was a crimp, we'd use those same creases. I'm going to do it like an inside reverse fold. Reverse this crease here. And then reverse the other crease on this side. Close the model up. An angled crimp. You'll see those a lot. Crimp folds in particular, you'll see a lot on like the tails of different animals, especially if you ever make a dragon. You'll see those all the time. They're not too hard, especially if you just remember to open the model all the way out to make the creases. And then close it all back up. Sometimes you won't be able to do that, but most of the time you can, and it's pretty easy if you do it that way.